This is how to build an Android app. So we'll be building a cryptocurrency investment app. So to start building, all you have to do is copy the URL of the site, copy the link of the site, go to this app. I will leave in the description below. Go to the app and click on app information. So impute the website link, build the app name. So we go with Happy Investment. So the next step is to look for a logo. Just let's look for a random logo. So we'll be using a random logo for this tutorial. So this one is okay. Click on it and download the image. So the next step is to upload the logo, crop it to the actual size. Then the next step is to rename our Android package name, sorry. Click on save changes, then we are ready to go to the next step. You can see settings saved successfully. So the next step is to click on build and download. Click on build the app. You can see our app is building. So it will take some time, just leave it. Okay, the app is ready. So the next step is to download the APK file. Copy the download link, go to your Android phone. Go to your Android phone and paste the download link. Paste the APK file download link. Click on download. You are downloading it. Download completed. So the next step is to open the app we just downloaded. Install. Okay, our app has successfully been installed. Let's open it. Click on open. As you can see, the app is functioning. This is the website and this is the mobile application. So let's log in, let's sign in this app to check functionality. You can see this is the logo. Let's log in this to a currency investment website. Let's sign in. Sign in. We are in. So this is the simplest way to build an app for free. So I will leave the site in the description below where you can build your Android application. So do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. You can see our app is on. Thanks for watching. Bye.